smile, she's rare, anytime.
Imagine you were born not only as a twin, but connecting your other twin. What would you think? Now imagine your mother and father got told their conjoined twins might not make it through the night. Conjoined meaning born connecting each other and sometimes with the option of surgery to disconnect. These twins I'm referring to are Brittany and Abby Hensel. According to UMM.edu, different types of conjoined twins include the most common, thoracopagus, which share a heart. Is nearly impossible to separate them and save them both. The number one on there is the kind I'm talking about right now. This type is 40% of all conjoined twins. Other cases include parapagus, which means they are conjoined by their sides and share a pelvis. I think that one's number 6. Parasitic is another type, meaning which one twin is inside the other twin, but conjoined also. The type of conjoined twin that Abby and Brittany are dicephalic parapagus, which meaning having more than one head and one body. I read facts about conjoined twins on 3.tellus.net that 1,386 sets of conjoined twins on record since October 2008. The oldest surviving set is 99 years old. First set of conjoined twins were born in 945. Both were boys and separated and died. Half are stillborn. 25% out of all conjoined twins survive. According to UMM.edu, the cause of conjoining twins, a woman only produces a single egg, which tries to separate during fertilization but doesn't. Then embryo starts to split into identical twins during the first few weeks after conception, but stops before the process is complete. A partial separated egg develops into a conjoined fetus. The conjoined twins are generally identical and also female. I read on HomeEscapade.com, Abby and Brittany, born on March 7th, 1990 in Carver County, Minnesota. They now live in St. Paul, Minnesota, which is right there on the map. You can see where Wisconsin is and where we are. Their family includes their mother, Patty Hensel, who is a registered nurse, and Mike Hensel, who is a carpenter and landscaper. The twins have a brother named Dakota, whom is 20, and a sister named Morgan, whom is 18. They also have a dog named Sadie. There's part of their family. There's their mom trying to kiss them, and their brother and their sister. These conjoined twins are very strong individuals whom are healthy and also studying to get their teaching degree. According to dailymail.co.uk, each of the twins has their own nervous system. They have 2 spines, 2 hearts, 4 lungs, 1 ribcage, 1 liver, 2 gallbladders, 3 kidneys, 2 brains, 2 stomachs, 1 large intestine, 1 small intestine, 1 bladder, 1 pelvis, 1 set of reproductive organs. That's a picture of their organ makeup. I found on Gawker.com that Abby and Brittany got their license and had to take 2 of the tests because they are 2 people just connected as one. But they managed to pass on their 16th birthday. Abby controls the pedals and everything on the right side. Brittany controls everything on the left side, including the turn signals and lights. Together they control the steering wheel. According to abc.net.au, their show, Join for Life, tells us about how their lives are at age 11. It also discusses their family life and how different their personalities are. This show aired on March 27th, 2003. I read on ProfessorBaker.com, another episode of Join for Life was aired on December 17th, 2006. This show describes their lives when they got their license at 16, including their birthday party and their lives and how they act. Extraordinary People, the twins who share one body, is a document about Abby and Brittany Hensel. According to TopDocumentaryStream.com, this film was 45 minutes long and describes their lives. It also tells how different the girls act. This documentary tells how they were brought up and continue to live today. Twins' most recent show is called Abby and Brittany. It was aired on 2012 and showed on TLC. According to zaptoit.com, this new show tells us about the twins' lives as they graduate college at Bethel University and set off to be teachers. It also takes us through their spring break and their 22nd birthday. As I mentioned before, conjoined twins are always different. There are different types, including parapegous, parasitic, and of course what Abby and Brittany are, dicephalic parapegous. Abby and Brittany got their license but had to take the test twice. They both have different controls in the car. These girls are famous in the 4 shows they have made. They act and think they are perfectly normal. The twins quote, "We were raised to believe we could do anything we wanted to. The most amazing thing about us is we are like everyone else." They will also not let anyone get into their way of their perfect life.